Hello, I'm Jewel Cortez, and now I will discuss to you Chapter 6, Python Function. So, what is function? A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as a parameter into a function. A function can return data as a result. So, print. When you want some data to be printed on, you will use print with parentheses and inside a quotation and the word or sentence you want to be printed. Example, hello world. Input is used when you want to read the value of a variable. It is coupled with either int or float. So what is int or float? Int is an integrated technique for converting a number or text of an integer. Float translate value into floating point numbers using a function or reusable code in the Python computer language. This is what the simplest function definition looks like. So this is one of the simplest function, deep function name, function body. So it is often happen that a particular piece of code is repeated many times in your program. So that's why we will use this them function name. It always starts with the keyword diff for define. Next, after diff goes the name of the function. The rules for naming function are exactly the same as for naming variables. Diff message print enter value. The function is extremely simple but fully usable. We name it message, but you can label it according to your taste. How function work? Look at the picture. So we will look at the picture below. So this is how function work. We will use the diff message with parentheses, and we will use this one, print and enter the next value. So you will write inside the parentheses with the quotation the text or word you want to be print. And then you will start here. You will use again the print start, what the message you want. Number one, a function is a block of code that performs a specific task when the function is called in bulk. You can use function to make your code reusable, better, organized, and more readable. Function can have parameters and return values. There are at least four basic types of function in Python. Built-in function were an integral part of Python, such as the print function. You can use complete list of Python built-in functions. So, pwede mo siyang i-search dito sa https://doc.python.org library function para makita mo yung complete list of Python built-in. The ones that came from a pre-installed modules you learned about them in the Module 5 course. User-defined functions which are written by user per user. You can write your own function and use them purely in your code. The Lambda function, you'll learn about them in Module 6 of this course. So, you can define your own function using the diff keyword and the following syntax. So, ito yung mga pwede mong gamitin. You can define a function which do not take at any argument. Def message, definition function, print hello world, body of the function, message, calling the function. You can define a function which take arguments too, just like the one parameter function below. What is parameter or arguments? The terms parameter and argument can be used for the same thing, information that are passed into a function. From a function's perspective, a parameter is the variable listed inside the parentheses in the function definition. An argument is the value that are sent to the function which is called. What is argument? Information can be passed into function as argument. Arguments are specified is applied after the function name. Inside the parentheses, you can add as many as argument as you want. Just separate them with a comma. The following example has a function with one argument. When the function is called, we pass along first name which is used inside the function. So this is the example. Pero meron tong that it say that yung function daw, maano lang ito kung ano yung sinulat mong argument. Yun lang yung maano niya, parang mapiprint niya. By the number of arguments. By default, a function must be called with the correct number of arguments, meaning that if your function expects 2 arguments, you have to call the function with 2 arguments, not more, not less. So, eto yun. That meaning, dapat ang gawin mo lang is, if you expect 2 arguments, you have to call function with 2 arguments. Hindi ka nasosobra, hindi ka nakukulang. So, if you try to call the function with 1 or 2 arguments, you will get an error. So, dito sa baba, if you call a function with 1 or 2 arguments, you will get an error. Dito naman sa taas this function expect 2 arguments. So, makakakuha siya ng 2 arguments. That's it.